When it comes to reimagining luxury vehicles, Novitec has long stood as one of the most respected tuners in the world. Known for elevating some of the most exclusive machines on the planet, Novitec's Spofec division, which focuses solely on Rolls-Royce models, has once again made headlines. Their latest creation, the Spofec Overdose Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2, is a bold interpretation of the world's most prestigious SUV, blending unparalleled opulence with enhanced performance and road presence. What makes this particular Cullinan stand out is the new perspective brought by Novitec's fresh batch of photographs. Seen under natural light, the modifications come alive, highlighting just how imposing and refined this luxury SUV has become. Even those who aren't naturally fans of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan can appreciate the artistry and attention to detail showcased here. The most immediate transformation is the vehicle's stance. Thanks to a custom suspension system, the Cullinan sits around 35 millimeters lower, giving it a more commanding and athletic look. This drop also makes space for the enormous 24-inch Vossen wheels, wrapped in 295/30 performance tires. These forged alloys, available in an astonishing 48 color options, further enhance the exclusivity of the build. The exterior design enhancements continue with a Spofec wide-body kit crafted from PU rim and carbon fiber. The fender flares, rocker panels, and redesigned front fascia add muscularity without sacrificing Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. The front bumper integrates additional LED lights while maintaining an OEM-quality appearance, a hallmark of Novitec's precision. At the rear, a new diffuser houses custom tailpipe tips, while dual spoilers accentuate the SUV's powerful lines. Finished in glossy black, this particular build commands attention, with subtle orange pinstripes providing contrast. The signature Spirit of Excesti emblem remains proudly displayed above the polished grille, ensuring that, despite its aggressive enhancements, the Cullinan retains its noble Rolls-Royce identity. Inside, luxury continues to reign supreme. Though only partially revealed in the new images, the interior showcases black leather upholstery with orange accents, carbon fiber trim, and the iconic Starlight headliner. Subtle infinity motifs add an extra touch of individuality, though Novitec emphasizes that clients can commission virtually endless customization options to match their tastes. Of course, a Spofec Overdose build wouldn't be complete without a significant performance boost. Beneath the hood, the 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V8 has been tuned to deliver 697 horsepower and 788 pound-feet of torque, a healthy increase of 105 horsepower over the standard Black Badge Cullinan. This extra power translates into a remarkable 0 to 62 miles per hour of just 4.6 seconds, despite the imposing size of the SUV. The top speed remains electronically limited to 155 miles per hour. But it's clear that this Cullinan isn't just about looks, it's a serious performer as well. The only missing piece of the puzzle is the price tag. While Novitec hasn't disclosed the cost of this transformation, it's safe to assume the Spofec Overdose treatment pushes the already expensive Cullinan into near seven-figure territory. For perspective, the base 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan starts at over $400,000, while the Black Badge variant demands nearly $470,000 before options. Add Novitec's bespoke modifications, and exclusivity becomes the name of the game. The Spofec Overdose Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It demonstrates how craftsmanship, engineering, and luxury can merge into something truly extraordinary. Whether you're a fan of Rolls-Royce or not, this tuned Cullinan stands as one of the most impressive luxury SUVs ever created. The only real question is, if money were no object, would you add one to your collection?